GOC in Chief, Army Training Command, Lieutenant General Devendra Sharma, Ati Vishishta Sena Medal, Commandant, Indian Military Academy, Lieutenant General Sandeep Jain, Sena Medal, Deputy Commandant and Generals, esteemed guests, officers, cadets of the Indian Military Academy, proud parents and guardians, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a warm good morning. It is a matter of immense honor and privilege to stand before the future torchbearers of one of the oldest, largest and most distinguished military academies of the world. I would like to congratulate you, the officers cadets, and all the award winners passing out here today in the Indian Military Academy for a most impressive parade. It was marked by your impeccable turnout, flawless drill, and unmistakable pride in profession. Allow me to express my profound gratitude in being invited to review this passing out parade. It is a clear testament of long and strong bond of comradeship and cooperation that has historically existed between the Nepali Army and the Indian Army. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of the Army Staff, Indian Army, and through him, the Government of India for this distinct honor. Furthermore, my capacity as an Honorary General of the Indian Army makes this opportunity particularly meaningful for me. The Indian Military Academy, as a beacon of excellence, has produced leaders who have not only shaped the course of the story within the India, but across the world. This academy holds a very special place even within the Nepali Army. More than 200 Nepali cadets have passed out through this same drill square and gone on to achieve very high ranks within the Nepali Army, including 4 chiefs of the Army Staff of Nepali Army. Here, this morning, I know that 2 Nepali officers cadets, along with 35 foreign officers cadets, stand shoulder to shoulder with you, eagerly waiting to take those final steps towards the beginning of an exciting new journey. As you stand here for the last time on this drill square as officers cadet, I am conscious of the feeling of excitement and anticipation that must be going through your minds. 37 years ago, I too experienced similar feeling of elation and satisfaction. A sense of fulfillment, yet tempered with wonder and caution at what lies ahead. Quite rightly so, as the journey ahead is not an easy one, but it is one of the most rewarding and honorable works of the life. Military service demands a lifelong pursuit of growth and excellence. We are honor-bound to an unlimited contract with the nation and people, resolved even to make the ultimate sacrifice should the need arise. In the days ahead, you will sometimes face seemingly insurmountable challenges, but you will also enjoy numerous opportunities.